Okay, so I've got it out of the oven. Let's see if I can do this one-handed while I'm filming. Get the glove on and take off the tag if I can do that. It's a bit awkward there. Oh, it's okay. There we go. Okay, that's off there. Plastic coming off. Oh, that's steam. That's hot. It looks cooked in there. It's even browned a bit on top. That looks yummy. Okay, lid off. That is definitely looking cooked. Definitely now. Still quite a lot of moisture in it. But that is really looking like a proper curry, that. Those veggies are nice and soft. The carrot's soft. Potatoes. Let's see how they go, because that's always the test, isn't it? Oh, beautiful. Oh, that is really good. Well, this definitely works. Now, admittedly, today is a pretty hot day. It's 36 degrees today, so it's probably not a test of how well it would go in low temperatures, but certainly if it added an hour on because of the lower temperature, that would still be quite acceptable. That's great. Well, that has proven to me that the Sunfunnel solar cooker is no hoax. It's definitely a cooking marvel. So thank you for watching.